Hi, it's Jackie from Myra Stitch & Post, and I'm here for part 2 of my video series on the new Husqvarna Viking quilt binder accessory for our sewing machines. Today I'm sitting in front of the brand new Designer Brilliance 80, which comes right out of the box equipped with the proper stitch plate that you will need, and I will discuss that a little further on other machines. It has 2 holes, one for the screw and one for the little set pin that we will need. You will also need to have your interchangeable dual feed foot attached to the sewing machine. So I have those attached, and I'm now going to take my new foot and I'm just going to click it into place. And you want to do that before you get started setting everything up. Now that I have the sole plate on, I am going to take the attachment plate that came in my box, and underneath you will see there is a little tiny pin. And that pin lines up with the hole on your stitch plate. And let me see if I can get it in there. And I have. And I'm going to take one of the screws and I'm simply going to screw that in place. And I'm almost ready to get started with attaching my quilt binder, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait and do that in the third video that we will have posted. So come back. Visit me on video number 3, and I'm Jackie from the Myra Stitch & Post, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.